Everyone around the world has bad habits that they don't make an effort to change. Perhaps many of us believe that some of the bad behaviors we have or the habits that harm ourselves or others are not serious enough to try to eliminate them and replace them with good and constructive habits. But the truth is that with bad habits, you cannot achieve the success you have in mind and the goals you have set for the future. The first step in changing bad habits and replacing them with good and constructive habits is identifying the destructive habits that exist in our behavior and thoughts. In this video, I have prepared 7 bad and destructive habits that cause us harm in life or harm others in the form of a story and a conversation between two persons. If you are our follower, you know that I am a psychologist who has been active in the field of mind and personal development for several years. And I like to help you succeed in achieving your goals through inspiring stories and insight. To improve the quality of the video and respect you as a dear listener, I use a narrator to provide you with higher quality content. Let's get to know the 7 harmful and destructive habits together.
Once upon a time, in a serene town surrounded by lovely mountains and a meandering stream, there was a knowledgeable old hermit. People from afar would come to him seeking answers and counsel because he possessed a unique talent for helping them comprehend life's concealed realities. One bright morning, a young local, inquisitive and keen to learn, set off to visit the wise hermit. He had a question that had been troubling him for some time. "Respected hermit," he said when he arrived, "what are the things we shouldn't do? What habits make our lives not so good?" The hermit, with a gentle look in his eyes, agreed to assist the young local by sharing 7 essential habits to avoid. "Don't get too cozy," the hermit told the young local. "It's not good to become too comfortable with everyday routines. Instead of settling for the status quo, we should always strive to improve and learn new things. Be kind to yourself," the hermit explained. "We should treat ourselves with kindness and avoid speaking harshly to ourselves. The way we converse with ourselves and our minds is crucial, and being kind to ourselves helps us find peace and grow. Avoid comparisons," the hermit said. "We shouldn't measure ourselves against others. We are all unique, and making comparisons only leads to despondency. It's better to concentrate on improving our own abilities. No spreading rumors," the hermit advised. "Gossiping or speaking ill of others behind their backs is a detrimental habit. It doesn't benefit anyone and causes distress. Instead, we should be considerate and kind. Do things promptly," the hermit said. "We shouldn't postpone important tasks, as doing so may cause us to miss great opportunities. Instead, we should attend to what needs to be done immediately. Practice patience," the hermit elucidated. "It's not beneficial to desire immediate results. We should be patient and await positive outcomes. Hastiness doesn't always help and can lead to disappointment. Live in the present," the hermit concluded. "Lastly, don't dwell too much on the past or the future. The past is where we learn from, and the future is brimming with possibilities. However, we should savor the present moment because that's where happiness resides." The young local listened attentively to the hermit's advice. He felt motivated and prepared to change his habits to enhance his life. With a heart full of gratitude, he thanked the hermit and embarked on his journey toward a more joyous and tranquil life. The wisdom of the hermit not only benefited the young local but also permeated throughout the town. Everyone began to adhere to the hermit's teachings, and their lives became more joyful and harmonious. The town continued to thrive, and the hermit's words guided the way for many generations to follow. Thank you for joining us on this wonderful journey. If you enjoyed this story and the valuable wisdom it conveys, please do us a favor by hitting that like button, leaving a friendly comment, and spreading the positive energy by sharing this video. Oh, and don't forget to join our amazing wisdom and real-life community by subscribing and ringing that notification bell. You won't want to miss the next story about ceasing to be overly lenient to everyone.